Welcome to Aesthetic Haven. Today, we'll explore the top 20 YouTube channel ideas for 2025 that require no voice, no face, and promise low competition. Whether you're camera shy or just love working behind the scenes, these ideas can help you start a unique and creative channel. So grab a notepad and let's dive right in. Segment 1. Creative and visual ideas. 1. Digital art time-lapse. Time-lapse videos of digital art are highly engaging. Just record your screen while creating art using apps like Procreate or Photoshop. Add soothing background music and you're good to go. 2. ASMR with objects. From tapping on glass to crinkling paper, ASMR content is endlessly popular. Use everyday objects to create relaxing sounds for your audience. 3. DIY and crafts. Demonstrate simple DIY projects like making jewelry, home decor, or upcycling old items. Focus the camera on your hands and tools, and add text instructions on the screen. 4. Aesthetic study vibes. Film neat, cozy study setups or organized notebooks and planners. Add soft lo-fi music to create a calming vibe. 5. Speed cleaning or organizing. Record fast-forward cleaning or decluttering sessions. These are oddly satisfying and inspire viewers to tidy their own spaces. Segment 2. Nature and scenery. 6. Nature walks and scenery. Take your audience on peaceful walks in parks, forests, or beaches. Focus on beautiful landscapes and enhance the visuals with natural sounds. 7. Aquarium or terrarium videos. Film fish swimming gracefully or plants thriving in a terrarium. These calming visuals are perfect for relaxation. 8. Rainy day window views. Record rain falling against a window with distant thunder or soft music in the background. These videos are great for unwinding or sleeping. 9. Sunrise and sunset time-lapse. Capture the beauty of nature by recording sunrises or sunsets. These visuals never go out of style. 10. Seasonal changes. Document the changes in your surroundings as the seasons shift. This works beautifully in scenic locations. Segment 3. Tutorials and informative content. 11. Software tutorials. Teach your audience how to use popular software tools like Canva, Excel, or Notion. Simply record your screen and provide step-by-step instructions using subtitles. 12. Minimalistic cooking videos. Show easy recipes, focusing on the food preparation process. Use overhead shots and calming music to keep viewers hooked. 13. Typography animation. Create animated typography videos with motivational quotes or short stories. These are perfect for Instagram or Pinterest audiences transitioning to YouTube. 14. Book flip-throughs. Showcase flip-throughs of journals, sketchbooks, or photo albums. This niche is low competition yet highly aesthetic. 15. Plant care tips. Share tips on watering, pruning, or propagating houseplants. Use close-up shots of your plants and text overlays for instructions. Segment 4. Entertainment and relaxation. 16. Virtual travel tours. Create virtual tours of interesting spots like historical landmarks or hidden gems. Focus on capturing the location's essence with minimal editing. 17. Satisfying reactions. Film satisfying moments like pouring paint, cutting soap, or unboxing items. These visually stimulating videos are easy to produce. 18. Wordless pet videos. Capture your pet's funny, cute, or quirky moments. These can melt hearts and go viral effortlessly. 19. Ambient background videos. Set up calming background visuals like candles flickering, a fireplace crackling, or clouds drifting. These videos are often used for studying or sleeping. 20. Daily life time-lapse. Share silent snippets of everyday routines like brewing coffee, journaling, or preparing a cozy evening. Add minimal music for a serene effect. And there you have it, 20 YouTube channel ideas for 2025 that require no voice or face and come with less competition. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Aesthetic Haven, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring content. Which idea are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.